Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting on full PPE and confirming the machine is powered and emergency stop is active. Once done, secure the core and tighten tooling. This prevents runout and chatter. Next, set spindle speed and an initial conservative feed. These reduce risk while you confirm material behavior. Make sure coolant and chip guards are positioned. Start with a light pass to verify alignment and depth and observe vibration and sound. If anything feels off, stop and recheck before proceeding. Now you align the tool to the core precisely using a dial indicator or laser, because accurate alignment prevents taper and concentricity errors. Once aligned, engage coolant and begin a controlled cut at a reduced feed. This lets you evaluate chip formation and temperature. Watch spindle load and listen for irregular sounds. If load spikes, reduce depth or feed. Make incremental adjustments and measure diameter after each pass. This iterative approach balances material removal rate with surface finish and tool life. You complete the job with 1 or 2 lighter finishing passes at a slightly higher spindle speed to improve surface finish and accuracy. Once done, retract the tool, stop the spindle and clean chips and coolant to prevent contamination. Deburr edges and measure critical dimensions with calibrated instruments to confirm tolerances. If you see chatter, poor finish, or oversized parts, a common fix is checking tool condition and run out first. Replace or reindex the cutter, then realign before repeating the light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.